Hello, how are you? Today we're diving into the Pentax K-70, a DSLR that's all about delivering performance for outdoor and all-weather photographers. Let's break down what makes this camera a solid option for anyone needing durability combined with quality. The Pentax K-70 has been designed with rugged shooting conditions in mind, making it an excellent option for adventure photographers. Released with the goal of providing reliable image quality and versatile shooting, the K-70 offers some powerful features packed into a compact and weather-sealed body. If you're looking for a DSLR that holds up in challenging environments, this one might just fit the bill. The K-70 is built to be both dust-proof and weather-resistant, with a well-sealed body that can handle rain, snow, and dust. It's ideal for photographers who don't want to worry about environmental factors when they're out capturing landscapes, wildlife, or even street photography. This makes it an all-season DSLR, so you're not restricted by conditions. At the heart of the K-70 is a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor without an anti-aliasing filter, which allows for sharper, more detailed images. The lack of the AA filter improves clarity, especially in fine details, but Pentax has included an LA filter simulator if you ever need it to reduce moire effects. This flexibility is ideal for users who want control over image sharpness and quality. One standout feature is the K-70's sensitivity range, which extends up to ISO 102,400. This high ISO capability enhances low-light shooting, allowing you to capture clean, usable images even in dimly lit environments. Paired with its hybrid AF system, which performs well in live view, you get fast focusing in various lighting conditions, a definite advantage for night shots or indoor settings. Another practical feature is Pentax's built-in shake reduction (SR) system, which minimizes camera shake and allows for sharper handheld shots. This system works with nearly any lens attached, offering flexibility and stability without requiring a lens with built-in stabilization. Especially for photographers using telephoto lenses or shooting in low light, this feature is very helpful. The K-70 also comes with a vari-angle LCD monitor, a feature that can be useful for both photography and videography. The screen tilts and swivels to accommodate high or low angles, making it easy to shoot from creative perspectives or to vlog on the go. It's also fully compatible with Pentax's pixel shift resolution, which combines multiple images for an ultra-detailed final shot. Overall, the Pentax K-70 delivers a balance of performance and durability with features that cater to outdoor photographers. Its weather sealing, shake reduction, and impressive low-light performance make it an appealing choice for those who need a camera that won't let them down in difficult shooting environments. Thanks for joining today. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on cameras and gear. Let us know in the comments if the K-70 is something you'd consider adding to your kit.